Hey, welcome guys, I am Numan and you are watching Tech. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss the update of every new video. If you just bought an iPhone 12, here are some of the fun things you can do with it. Apple's iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro were released on Friday. Here are a few tips and tricks if you just bought one and want to learn more about what's new and how to get the most out of it. We will show you how to set up widgets, organize your home screen, manage your 5G network and charge faster. Apple's iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro were released on Friday. It means they are now available for in-stores pickup or will be arriving to customers who pre-ordered them earlier this month. I have a few tips you should know about as you set them up. If you just haven't used iOS 14 yet, Apple's new iPhone software that rolled out in September, then you may enjoy Apple's new widgets and app organization tools. And the iPhone 12 has a couple of unique features like support for better selfies in dark setting and access to faster 5G network. Here are some tips and tricks for your new iPhone 12 as you get up and running. Tip number 1 is set up widgets on the home screen. Widgets are like little piece of apps you can place on your home screen that show you information at a glance. Spotify has one so you can see your playlist, and there are others from Google, TripIT, Robinhood and more. You can add them to your home screen by pressing and holding anywhere until the home screen is starting wobbling, then tapping the plus button on the top left. Tip number 2 is charge faster. As we know who have iPhone in their hands, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro come with a cable but not a charging brick that plugs into the wall. If you use your old small square charger that came with an older iPhone, you might want to upgrade to a new one. The latest iPhone support up to 18-watt charging, giving you about a 50% charge in 30 minutes. I recommend that Apple's 20-watt iPhone plug or Anchor similarly prices charging brick, which is just $19. Tip number 3 is get rid of app clutter. Apple's new app library feature can help you get rid of all the icons on your home screen for apps you don't use often. App library automatically organizes everything into folders and stores them in a screen you can access by swiping left across the iPhone display. Here is how to set it up. First, you will want to make sure app library is turned on. So to do that, open setting, tap home screen, check app library only. Next, you can turn off the pages all of your apps appear on. To do that, app and hold on the home screen. Tap the gray bar at the bottom of the screen. Uncheck the circles of all of your home screens with apps on them. Now, the app library will automatically store all of your apps to the right of your primary home screen. Tip number 4 that you will surely try. Take low light, selfie and portraits. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro support new low light selfies. That means your face will appear brighter even if it's dark out. And there is no need to turn on the flash. There is no need to turn it on or set it up. Your iPhone just automatically detects if it's dark out and turns on night mode to make the selfie clearer. But it's fun to play with. I recommend propping your iPhone up to make sure the picture is clear, since it can get blurry if you move while it's taking a photo. If you own the iPhone 12 Pro, try new low light portrait pictures which isn't supported on the regular iPhone 12. This lets you take the kind of professional looking pictures with the subject in focus and the background blurred at night. It works pretty well. Tip number 5 is the most important tip. How to turn 5G on and off. Who don't know, the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will automatically switch between 5G and 4G LTE networks to save battery life. According to Todd Hazelton, he found that sometimes it will connect to a 5G network when your existing 4G LTE network is still faster. Yes, 5G is still very confusing. You can move between 5G and LTE networks manually by doing this. Open setting, tap cellular, choose cellular data options, pick voice and data, change from 5G auto to 5G on or LTE. Now, use an app like speed test to see which network is fastest. Tip number 6 is here, Facetime HD over 5G. Apple lets you do a few things over a 5G network that you can't on 4G LTE, like download big software updates and use FaceTime with clear video quality. Just give it a try to by FaceTiming with someone who's also on 5G or Wi-Fi. You should notice, as I did, the FaceTime call quality is much better clear when you are using a 5G network. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share this video.